son, fuck yourself.
Where I'm from.
Long Island, Los Angeles.
I went to the past. Distract. Oh, I ain't gonna make it. That's 5 minutes from now. Oh, I don't like the way you talk to me. That was 5 minutes ago. What you need to do to be able to use that tool, you need to be either right now. Let me say right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Because if you want to get better, it starts right now. Right now. Because if you want to make it, it starts right now. Right now. If you want to be motivated, it starts right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Let me see you get it. Then let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get it. Let's get it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Now have an outstanding day, Bravo. You too, sir. Get it right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Have an outstanding day. You too, sir.
Being written by people with imagination. You've got to believe in yourself. You've got to believe in your abilities. You've got to believe in your service, your company, your idea.
You are given this life because you are strong enough to live it. You are stronger than you think. Know that it was sent for a reason and a lesson. It might be to make you stronger. It might be to teach you patience. Your struggle is a part of your story. Your struggle made you the person you are today.
Be yourself at the highest level. You must create, perform, and build your success. Let's get it.
Look it up.
Do what the fuck you do.
Graffiti writers.
Grab your cans and hit the streets.
Urban reality.
Let me see your war face.
GHC Underground HardCore. GHC Underground HardCore.